Corporate finance fosters growth, investments, and value creation. From fundraising and valuation to M&A, financial decisions shape strategy, performance, and long-term success. This program is designed for participants who want to get solid foundations in corporate finance and understand how financial decisions are made by private and listed companies. It is highly recommended if you're considering a career in finance, investment banking, consulting, or in corporate strategy. It is also meaningfully useful if you want to feel confident working with financial statement and valuation. And of course, if you want to undertake financing choices. The main objective is to provide participants with a ready-to-use finance toolbox. For that, you will learn how to analyze financial accounts, evaluate financial needs, value a firm, calibrate a fundraising, and deal with M&A through real-world international case studies. By the end of the program, participants will be able to analyze financial statements, assess financing needs, and evaluate the most appropriate financing structures for companies. Courses are based on hands-on exercises, simulations, and spreadsheet modeling. The benefits for you can easily be mentioned: an increased confidence to work with equity and debt instruments, a capacity to understand value creation, and a strong ability to support strategic financial decisions in a global context. This program was created and taught by leading HEC Paris professors. It combines academic rigor, professional relevance, and international perspectives. We look forward to welcoming you to HEC Paris.